Chelsea's swing set. Play-doh time. Let's make a garden to match our swing set. Chelsea, we have our flower pot, but where are all the flowers? Anna, we have to make our own, silly. We roll 3 stems. That will be our stem. Then we roll 3 balls. Yellow, purple, red. Anna, how did you get done so fast? I took my flower ball and I pinched it. Then I put the pollen right in the middle. And then in the back, I stuck the stem. That's how I did mine. Anna, look! I made mine yellow with blue pollen. Thank you. It was easier than I thought. No problem, Anna. Let's help Chelsea make hers now. She has a purple one. Okay. We take our ball and pinch at the bottom. And it already starts to look like one. But we have to shape in the top. It's an easy job. Just round it. Let's put on our stem. Pinch it together. Let's plant them in the garden. 1, 2, 3 flowers. Alright, girls, let's go play. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.